today in this question, we will be solving this with the given solutions, mass, and density. So for letter A, we are asked to solve for the mass percent. So percent mass is equals to mass of NaOH divided by mass of solution times 100%. So mass of solution is the mass of NaOH and water, since mass of solution is the mass of solute and solvent. So solute here is NaOH, which is 28.5 grams divided by 28.5 grams plus the mass of water, which is 129